Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is happening. Okay, yeah, this is actually crazy, but it's actually really cool. But, like, it doesn't look like it's hitting us yet. Oh, yeah, true. Baby, it's fine. It's fine, baby. No, he's not. We're gonna die. We're not all gonna die, okay? Is anybody gonna die? Nobody's gonna die because of the storm. Are they gonna die for other reasons? You don't have to be worried. I'm so worried. Don't worry, the storm's not gonna hit us for a while, okay? It isn't? No, it isn't. That's rain! I'm pretending there's like a door right here. Okay, so, okay, now that's, bad. What the heck? Wait, is the power out? Oh, wait, can't go there. Oh my gosh, the power's out. Of course, there's also a door here. And I'm pretending there's a canopy over this because I don't think that's something. And if it gets wet, I'll just straight out. Things get wet in life. Oh my gosh, the power is out. Turn these on. You guys go upstairs. Okay. Wow. I want to go to sleep. Already? I want to sleep out the storm. Okay. Mommy, can you tuck me in? Sure. Thank you. This is such a good nighttime. Wow, it is storming. Oh, and there's thunder. Ah! What? I just heard a loud noise coming from outside. That's thunder. Everybody talks about how scary thunder is, and I always tell them I've never heard thunder. But now I can't tell them that. No. Let's pretend it's like stormy and not sunny. I wish you could like change the weather. Ooh. Oh, the power's off. Okay, I'm gonna turn these on. Wow. The power is off. Well, that's something nice to know about. Wait. Oh, oopsies. Forgot about that. It's not a big deal, okay? Okay. Okay, do you have everything you want? Why? We're probably gonna stay downstairs for a little bit. Why? Just in case. Just in case what? I don't think anything's gonna happen, okay? I pretend that these are stairs and not an elevator. Honey, you can see the wind. Yeah, you really can. Can we go in the living room? No, we do not have any room without glass, do we? This is really close to the door, but I think maybe, where's somewhere safe we can go? Okay, we're gonna say, I wish houses had basements. I mean, I get that would be like 4 floors, but really, like, a basement would just have to be like, we didn't actually go in the basement during the storm, because this is based off of a storm. Okay, so I'm gonna pretend that we're like crouched down somewhere. Well, not crouched, because we don't need to crouch down. We just want to stay away from... You know what? We don't know there's going to be anything. Okay, so... I don't think it's that serious. I'm going to pretend that right now, this candle piece is still over there, and I'm using a flashlight. This is scary. Oh my gosh, honey, you can actually see the wind. And that actually happened in the real storm, so... Okay, let's go. You guys... do this, and I'll come by with the pets, okay? Don't let them hold that. That's cool. I actually never knew that. Where's the puppies? I actually know, I just didn't get it. Dang it, I dropped the dogs. Okay, everybody over here. I'm gonna try and get the dogs away from, like, my family because... Oh, there you guys are. Wait, oops. Hello? Hi, is it storming really bad at your house too? Yeah, but I'm not too worried about it, but yeah. Well, it's like storming really bad, and I think there's a tornado warning, so check your phone. Beep, 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 beep. Tornado warning for... There actually was not a tornado warning at our house, but we think there was a mini tornado somewhere. Because, I don't know, that they didn't know about or something. I don't know, because, like, the way things were, I kind of think that it was, but I don't know for sure. I'll get back to the game. Oh, beep, beep, beep. Oh my gosh, I have a tornado warning. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Honey, 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 honey. Wait. Honey, 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 honey. What? There's a tornado. Wait, I'm gonna just pretend that she's not on a call and that she's just talking. Honey, 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 honey. What? What's wrong? Wait. What's wrong? There's a tornado warning. Whoa, gonna die. Maybe we're not all gonna die. It's not that big of a deal. Oh my gosh. Crouch down, crouch down. Okay, so I'm gonna do something that I think is actually kind of smart and... So I'm gonna do something that I think is actually kind of smart and stupid at the same time. I don't know what it is, but these are branches from that tree, and I'm pretending that they're like on the ground and not standing up. I don't know how that would get opened. This is so bad. Okay, so this is what our yard's gonna be. Oh, I don't know who that was. Who was that? Oh, it's actually kind of... I hate the crying when they're toddlers. Like, it's so... Baby, it's okay. No, it's not. It's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. No, I just want the... Why does it have to... Why did they update it to me? Look at all these animals. I'm gonna get a snack. Don't open the fridge. Why? Because we don't have power and we don't want to lose that. We don't want to, and we don't want the fridge to not be able to stay cold, to lose the cold air. Oh. Shh. What? It stopped. Wait. Let me look at my phone. Wow. What? It just stopped. It just stopped? So can I go watch TV now? Mm-mm. Why? Because the power's not back on. I'm gonna die. Because the TV won't work? No, because the power wasn't on. Do you know how scary that sounds? Wait, this really needs to be like blown away like that. The chairs would be blown away, so we're gonna make them. Alright, there. Holy moly, our yards are messy. Oh my gosh, my yards. My yard. I worked so hard on this for my kids and my family. Honey, we can fix it. I'm sure it's not all that bad. Just look at it. It's just, honey, it's not all that bad. I mean, it's not what I expected, but it's not all that bad. Like, we can just go out there and fix it. Really? You think we can go out there and fix it right now? I will. You can't get your wheels dirty. Yeah, I can. I can just clean them. More like me. Oh, yeah, that's what I said, isn't it? And you said you, but... Oh my gosh, honey, our yard is just... So I'm pretending it's not fixed. Like, it's like not fully fixed like this. Who littered in our yard? Wait, there's litter in our yard? There are tree branches everywhere. Well, that's not litter, honey. No, not that. That's not what I'm talking about. What do you mean? There's legit, lemonade in our yard. Oh, that's a lemonade can in our yard. That's probably from when we had guests over. Oh. For the pool party? I probably won't be able to fix the, No. Oh, she can't go in the box. That's sad. Oh, wait. Yeah, she can't go in that stuff. No. No. Did our dog just meow? Oh my gosh. Or maybe that's the cat that's right behind you. Oh, yeah. You need to stay down here with your family. Wow. He just responded to me. Yeah, totally. Nope, out. Why won't you let him come in here? Because he has been upstairs. Like, our whole entire, ever since we got him. First time he went upstairs, it's like, honestly, he doesn't go downstairs for any reason besides food. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go to sleep. You're not going to sleep. No, you're not going to sleep. Ugh. Astronaut. You're so mean to me. I don't know why you have to be so mean, but you're so mean to me and you just don't know how to act around me. I can't believe how mean you are. Stop it. Dolly. This is blowing. No, you. Is that all you're gonna do? Well, I need to check the news and stuff. Why can't we just watch it on our... Nuh-uh. What? You don't even know what I was gonna say. Were you gonna say TV? Okay, you knew what I was gonna say. No, I want you in here. Oh my gosh, is this thing like full or something? Oh, no, just kidding. Whatever. Okay, so I guess this is gonna have to go in the bathroom. I'm just gonna put this in the bathroom. I'll put it in here because I don't think I need it. It's so crazy. Just don't judge it. Delays. Well, looks like it's just gonna be, there's gonna just be rain in a couple minutes or something. Oh, okay. Yeah. So guys, I don't think I did an intro today because I started off like that. I was gonna start off like that and then go into the intro, but I ended up not. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, watch more of my videos. Bye!